This is the Montegrappa Fortuna Copper Mule fountain pen. It comes in a large blue cardboard box with the Montegrappa filigree pattern and the Montegrappa logo on the top of the box lid. This slides off, and inside the cardboard box is a nice sturdy box for the pen. It has the Montegrappa logo on a small plaque on top. Filigree pattern on all sides of the box with a hinge style lid. On the underside of the lid is the Montegrappa logo. Included with the pen is a small cleaning rag and of course the Montegrappa Fortuna Copper Mule fountain pen. This pen has been made out of solid copper, so over time these nice shiny copper parts will patina and discolor as copper does. On the top of the cap is the 1912 logo, and it has a silver color clip on the pen with a nice large ring at the bottom engraved with Montegrappa. There is a small roller here at the bottom of the clip and just copper at the end of the barrel of the pen. It is a threaded cap, so that unscrews and can be posted on the pen. There's an actual bushing on the inside of the cap to prevent that from scratching. It also has a matching section with the rest of the trim in that silver color. Nice large, I love the look of the threads for the cap. And it has a matching nib stainless steel with the Montegrappa logo and filigree pattern with the nice black feet on the backside. It is a cartridge converter style pen, so to change the ink on this pen, you unscrew the section, and there is an ink converter included with the pen. And that is also, you can use a standard international ink cartridges. Those are also included underneath the false bottom with the warranty and information about the pen. Great design, great pen. Get your Montegrappa Fortuna Copper Mule fountain pen at penchalet.com.